Depth first search by edge property. I am using graphtool for Python, a library which implements Boost. I need to do a depth first search using only edges which have the edge underscore property. So, I'm using Width visitor. It seems like I should be doing some sort of check in the examine underscore edge def, but I haven't been able to find docs explaining it. I have the check in the tree underscore edge def, which successfully filters all of the rel underscore need equals true edges, but it doesn't change the traversal. How do I make its visitor that only traverses certain edges, and not all edges?
You should create a filtered graph first. You can do where rel underscore need is a Boolean property map, where rel underscore need equals true means that the edge is not filtered out. You can then proceed to do the DFS search with the graph view, and the edges for which rel underscore need equals false will be ignored.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.